Hi, I'm Billy Miner from Insight Quality. And if you're manufacturing products overseas, especially in countries like China, India, or Vietnam, then one of the most important tools in your quality toolkit is the golden sample. Now, in this video, I'll explain what a golden sample is and why it's so important, and also how you can use it to prevent costly quality issues. What is a golden sample? A golden sample, also called an approval sample, is a perfectly made version of your product that your supplier sends you before mass production begins. It represents the quality standard that all future production items should match. You can think of it as a physical benchmark for your expectations, and when you approve it, it becomes the gold standard for everything else that your supplier will produce. So how do you develop a golden sample? Here's how the approval process typically works. First, the factory sends you a pre-production sample. Second, you review it and you decide to either approve it or you reject it. Third, if it's not quite right, you can request revisions and get a new sample from the supplier. And then fourth, once it is approved, production can begin. Now, here's a key point to understand. You should save several copies of the final golden sample. One is for your manufacturer, one is for your quality inspection company like Insight Quality Services, and one is for your own internal reference. And you should make sure that they are signed, dated, and sealed so that everyone is aligned on what perfect means for your product. Why are golden samples so important? Well, let me give you a quick example. Now, let's say that you're manufacturing ceramic mugs, and for a while, everything looks good. But over time and over several production runs, the color starts drifting from a rich crimson red into a bright sort of candy red. Now, your supplier might look at that and say, well, it's red, what's the problem? But that's when you pull out the golden sample. And when you compare them side by side, the golden sample and the production version, it becomes obvious that there is a quality issue. That golden sample gives you the power to resolve the problem quickly and confidently. Now let's talk about how to use golden samples during product inspections. Now, this is where the real value kicks in during product inspections. So let's say that you've booked a pre-shipment inspection. A pre-shipment inspection happens once 100% of your order is produced and your order is at least 80% packed. So one of our inspectors shows up at the factory with your golden sample, with your inspection checklist, and with whatever tools they need to verify that your products from your order match your product specifications. So using AQL sampling methods, they check random units from your order and compare them directly to your sample. And that helps us catch visual defects, labeling issues, and functional problems before your goods ever leave the factory. And that way you don't end up with any issues after the goods are then shipped to you. So here's what you should keep in mind. If you're serious about product quality, do not skip the process of developing a golden sample. It's not just a formality, it is a cornerstone of your quality control process. You can pair your golden sample with a solid set of detailed product specifications and inspect your goods on a regular basis, and you'll have the tools that you need to keep your quality level high and your customers happy. And if you need help developing your inspection process in Asia or around the globe, reach out to us at Insight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on manufacturing and quality control. Also, here are some videos that you might be interested in about quality control topics. So take a look at those, and we'll see you next time.